Sairam sir.
Sairam.
Sairam sir.
Sairam beta. We'll do whatever we were doing. And before we close, at last, please remind me somebody that we'll talk about periodic assessment 2. Second periodic assessment. What are the activities we can have or we will have for that second assessment? We'll discuss that. "26 have joined yet." चलो कोई बात नहीं. So let us wait for few more to join for 2 more minutes. But meanwhile, if you remember last time, are we on poster making?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we have seen 3 types of posters, right? One is about event, one is about awareness, and one is government issued posters, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So out of any of these 3, and please avoid events like debate competition at school and painting competition at school or inter-school painting competition or this and that. Avoid this kind of events. Think of some better events if you are thinking of events. And the best thing is awareness. Or the second good thing is government issued posters. So in next 2 minutes, everyone think of one theme on which you can make a poster. That can be for spreading awareness, that can be government issued poster, that can be about some approaching event, whatever it is. Just think of one theme, one statement on which you can make a poster quickly. 2 minutes given. I'll ask at 3:05. Meanwhile, some more students will join. Let's pray to God. Only 32 have joined yet. It's 3:05. Now you can write the theme or the topic or the event or whatever you have thought in the chat section. It will flash with your name automatically. Type in short. Fit India Run. Awareness on garbage disposal. Very nice. मेक इन इंडिया कैंपेन, hazardous plastic, healthy body shelters in a healthy mind. ऑर्गेनिक फायरक्रैकर्स इन दिवाली, ठीक है. वोटिंग अवेयरनेस, फिजिकल फिटनेस चेकअप कैंप इवेंट हो गया है ना. सेविंग एनवायरनमेंट, वेरी कॉमन, नो प्रॉब्लम, चलेगा. टेक समिट इवेंट, पूर्वी काउंट करना कितने सजेशंस आ गए. प्रियांशु, व्हाट हैव यू रिटन बेटा? क्रिएटिव विथ रिसाइक्लेबल्स,
Sir, 14.
14, ओके. गेट क्रिएटिव विथ रिसाइक्लेबल्स, हाँ वही तो तूने. ब्लड बैंक, यस बेटा, हु इज स्पीकिंग?
Sir,
हाँ बोलो.
I'm not able to stand it.
Okay, no problem, you can suggest verbally.
Sir, salute to Corona fighters.
क्या?
Sir, salute to Corona fighters.
Salute to corona fighters, okay. Okay, only 14 suggestions plus one by Kanak, 15 suggestions. There are 33 students. Preventing food wastage, very good. Good issue. Oath to follow all rules of COVID-19, very good, very relevant. Charity for poors. Harshit Jain, don't write poors. Poor is always written as poor, no plural. And instead of using word poor, which is not a good word, you should say charity for needy. It's not fair to call anybody poor. Charity for street dogs. Say no to take drugs. Okay. Fit body, fit environment. Say no to child labor. Stop distracted driving. अरे वाह. Which is the biggest distraction in driving?
Mobile phones.
Mobile phones.
Okay. And second?
Songs.
Music system. And third? What is the third distraction?
Sir, the person sitting beside us.
Yes, chatting with co-passenger. Chalo, I think many suggestions we have received and many of these are good. Not yet 34. अभी तो 2-3 तो quit हो गए. Only 31 are left. I was expecting added number, but now it is reduced. Awareness about cyber frauds. Okay, very good. Mental health awareness. ठीक है. ये सारे चैट बॉक्स में हैं सजेशंस. somebody can do one thing. One student, probably Shravani, can copy all of them in one word file. उनको पूरा कॉपी ऑल करके बेटा एक वर्ड फाइल में पेस्ट कर ले.
Yes, sir.
Are you on a desktop?
Yes, sir.
हाँ ठीक है. तो कॉपी ऑल करके उसको पेस्ट कर लो. मूव ऑनलाइन. ठीक है. नाउ सेकंड थिंग, हमारे पास 31 है ना अभी. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 3 जा 18 मतलब, चलो एक काम करो, यहां पे अभी जितने बच्चे प्रेजेंट हैं क्लास में, आई कैन सी, तो A to K नेम्स विद अल्फाबेट A to K मीन्स हम कहां तक पहुंच गए? फ्रॉम अदिति सोनी टू खुशी. ठीक है. उसके बाद दो हम ले लेते हैं M में से, 12 13 14 15 है ना, यहां तक हो जाएंगे. तो M में से हो गया मानव और मोहित. ठीक है. नेम्स A to K एंड देन मानव एंड मोहित. इतने बच्चों को एक काम करना है. काम क्या करना है? बचे हुए मतलब M में दो बचे हैं, मोनित और मुस्कान. उसके बाद N to S जितने भी यहाँ पे बच्चे दिख रहे हैं आपको, पिक वन पार्टनर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम अदिति.
Sir, from the group, from me to Khushi.
No beta, you are the ones who are going to pick a partner from the remaining ones, from N to S.
Sir, Swastika.
Okay. Swastika, you have been bought
Yes,
by,
sir.
remember. Now Anuj, and be quick beta.
Mohnit.
चल ठीक है. बारबी.
नेहा.
हाँ मालूम था. भौमिक.
शिवम.
दक्ष. हाँ क्या बोल रहा है ये?
Sir, Priyanshu.
प्रियांशु. अच्छा. देशना.
Sir, Purvi.
देवांशी.
Sir, Ritu.
दिशा.
श्रावणी.
हर्षित.
सोमेंद्र.
काजल.
सर सुहानी.
ओके. कनक.
सर वैष्णवी गुजर.
कनिष्का.
Sir, Samriddhi.
खुशी.
Rumisha.
मानव. कहाँ गया मानव?
सर मोहित.
मोहित नहीं, मोहित तो खुद सिलेक्ट करने वाला है पार्टनर अपने लिए.
सर संभव.
संभव, इज ही देयर? संभव, आर यू देयर इन द क्लास? नो, आई डोंट थिंक सो. चलो तब तक मोहित. एंड इफ नो वन इज लेफ्ट, अच्छा ओनली 28 आर लेफ्ट. अभी 3 और भाग गए. 3 और भाग गए। चलो मानव एंड मोहित। ओके, मानव एंड मोहित, यू आर पार्टनर्स।
ओके सर।
चलो, सबको अपने अपने पार्टनर्स पता है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
गुड। अच्छा, अभी आपने यहाँ पे चैट सेक्शन में सबने अपने अपने सजेशंस लिखे थे, ठीक है? यस, से यस।
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सबने अपने अपने सजेशंस लिखे थे, ठीक है? अब आपको क्या करना है, वो संभव आ गया। आपको क्या करना है, हर एक पार्टनर को अपने पार्टनर का सजेशन पिक करना है। मैं एग्जांपल दे देता हूं, बारबी एंड नेहा। जो सजेशन बारबी ने लिखा है, नेहा विल प्रिपेयर अ पोस्टर ऑन दैट, और जो सजेशन नेहा ने लिखा है, बारबी विल प्रिपेयर अ पोस्टर ऑन दैट। टाइम आपके पास है नेक्स्ट 10 मिनट्स, और उसके बाद अभी आप यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले करोगे अपने अपने पोस्टर्स। आई होप एवरीबडी अंडरस्टूड।
Sir.
हाँ जी,
तो वैष्णवी मीट में नहीं है। सर आगे आगे।
फिर गई, फिर गई। जिनके पास पार्टनर्स नहीं है वो अपने सजेशन पे खुद ही बना ले। अगर कोई ऐसा एक आध बच्चा रह गया हो, इफ यू डिड नॉट गेट अ पार्टनर, देन यू प्रिपेयर अ पोस्टर ऑन योर ओन सजेशन। ये पार्टनर्स मैंने सिर्फ आपके सजेशंस को इंटरचेंज करने के लिए बनाए हैं। टाइम 10 मिनट्स है, विच आई गेव एट 3:16, नाउ इट इज 3:17 ऑलरेडी। You are going to show your posters at 3:26, and rest of the class will do marking out of 10. वैसे ये पोस्टर 4 मार्क्स का होता है, अभी 3 मार्क्स का होने वाला है, लेकिन यहाँ पे हम आपको मार्किंग करेंगे आउट ऑफ 10, एंड द क्लास विल डू दैट। किसी को सजेशन नहीं मिल पा रहा हो, समझ में नहीं आ रहा हो, कुछ पूछना हो, तो आप अभी बात कर लो। वो पसंद नहीं आया हो, चेंज करना है तो भी बता दो।
सर हेलो सर। सर मेरे पार्टनर ने कोई सजेशन नहीं दिया।
तो तूने ये उस पार्टनर को पिक किया, तेरी गलती है, मैं क्या करूं? मोनित, मोनित,
यस सर।
why did you not give any suggestion? Write one topic for poster in the chat section just now.
ओके सर।
Anuj, wait for 1 minute. I'll give you 10 minutes afterwards.
यस सर।
Keep all the features of poster in mind. There should be some language part. There should be some good English content. There should be some visual appeal. There should be a tagline. There should be a variation in the way you write, in your font style, in your font size. Even if you don't use variety of colors, there is no problem. It's 3:27 now. Done? अरे कोई तो yes बोलो. A time of 11 minutes is enough. Actually, more than enough. How much more time do you need? Respond.
So 2 minutes.
2 minutes is too much. Okay. Shravani wants 2 minutes. And what about others?
Sir, done.
Done. Very good, beta.
Sir, 2
And
minutes.
others? Yes, Kanak.
Sir, 2 minutes.
Rumisha,
Yes, sir.
show your poster. Now you all can do one thing. You can change the layout to Spotlight. Okay?
Sir, is it visible?
हाँ बेटा. Change the layout to Spotlight and close the grid view. Then only the person speaking will be visible. So Rumisha, you speak once again and show your poster.
Sir, my topic is stop distracted driving.
Okay. You can explain what you have done.
Sir, first of all, I have drawn a picture where a car got stuck to a lamp because the person who is driving has picked up the call. So avoid a voice while driving a car. Keep focus and never put yourself and others in danger for the sake of call, text, or other activities. Sir, that's all I have written.
What is written on the top?
Stop distracted driving.
Okay. So is this a part of your poster or it is just the topic so you have written?
Sir, it's a topic.
It's a topic, not a part of your poster. It is
No,
out
sir.
of your poster.
Yes, sir.
So how can you tell this thing? How can you show this thing?
Sir, I have underlined that topic.
No, beta, no. When you make your poster, draw a box around it. Okay?
Okay, sir.
If your poster is in a box, then it is easily understood what is a part of your poster and what is not.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Now I
Yes.
want all 29 students present here to write their score out of 10 for Rumisha in the chat section quickly. Everyone. How much would you give out of 10 to her? It's compulsory for everyone to give marks. I won't ask for an explanation, don't worry. If you don't write here in the chat section, I'll start asking personally. Okay. Let me ask personally. Chalo, starting with Rumisha herself. Rumisha?
Yes, sir.
How much would you give yourself for this poster out of 10?
Sir, 7.
7. That means you know that there is a scope of improving and getting 3 more marks in this poster.
Yes, sir.
Then you should have done that.
Sir, I felt that time was too less. That's why I
Okay,
could not make.
no, time
I
is
was
not
not.
less. Time of
Sir,
10 minutes is not less
colors
for this.
for more attractiveness.
Okay, now you said 7. For finishing it first, add one more to it from my side.
8 marks.
Just for finishing it first. I have no comment for what you have done. I'm not giving marks for your poster. I'm just giving one extra mark for finishing first. ठीक है? चलो. Now I'll ask everyone individually, how much would you give Rumisha? Starting with Aditi Soni.
Sir, 8.
Right. Acha, many have written here. I couldn't see this. Sorry. Many have already written. Just a minute. Many have written. Let me see. Rumisha?
Yes, sir.
Check your scores. 8, 8, 7, 9, 9, 8, 9, 8, 8, 7, 9, 8, 6.5, 8. Don't give marks lavishly just because you are asked to give. Those who gave 9, I would like to talk to them. One is Manav, one is Kajal, and one is Devanshi. Purvi and Disha. Huh. Purvi?
Yes, sir.
You think there cannot be anything better than this poster? You have given 9 out of 10, which means there can't be anything better than this. Yes? There is no scope of improvement in it. This is the perfect poster. Say yes or no. Keep your friendship aside. Okay, and be just. Just means give justified marks. Disha?
Yes, sir.
Is it greatest according to you?
Sir, actually, I like that creativity, the drawing that she had made. That's why I have given her 9 marks.
See, Disha at least has some explanation, some reason. She is trying to justify, which could not satisfy me. But yes, she tried to justify. And there were 3-4 more students who gave 9. It's fine. If you really feel that it is worth giving 9, I have no problem. I'm just trying to tell, please keep your friendship aside. Okay. Chalo, who else has finished? Shravani, you demanded 2 minutes at 3:27.
Yes, sir.
At 3:28, it is 3:35. Share your poster or show it on the screen, on your camera.
Yes, sir.
And as soon as she shares and explains, marks in chat section should be given by everyone. Beta, set the focus actually. Set the focus. Now it is quite clear. Take it little bit backwards because only half of that is visible. Yes. And please explain this. What was the topic and what have you done?
So the topic was oath to follow COVID-19 measures. So, sir, I have written here COVID-19 virus in the first starting. Then I have written alert, red alert. Then here it's one of the corona picture, which I could not make. Then here it is a mask. So then I have written a line which is COVID-19 is spreading all over the world. Follow the precautions and don't get affected from virus. So then it says there are certain measures. Wash your hands with soap for 20 minutes. So I have given here
20
a
minutes.
drawing.
Beta
20 seconds. 20 seconds. Then so it is don't go in crowded area or public place. So here I have put some log. Then sir maintain social distancing. So I have given here a drawing and written 6 feet distance. Then always wear a mask when going out. So I have written it in capital so that the font size changes.
Yes.
Then sir, put handkerchief while sneezing, coughing on your mouth. I have written. Then here it is a that one emoji of that wearing a mask. So then avoid touching your eyes, nose, and
You are hiding the emotions of emoji.
so then here it is avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. So here it is a small emoji only of and a hand which is coming and he's touching his eyes, nose, or mouth. And all have sanitizer with you always. And here then it is a one corona virus. Then here it is a sanitizer bottle. And the last is stay safe and stay healthy.
Okay. Marks. बेटा ये लोग तुझे 9 देना चाहते थे लेकिन जो अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने बात की उसके चलते काफी लोगों ने एक एक कम दे दिया तुझे फिर भी हैं 2-3 बच्चे हुआ गिविंग 9 ओके what was good and what was not good about this poster? Can somebody make a statement?
Information was too long.
Information was
Too long.
Acha. Too much information was given. But see, the topic was क्या था? What was the topic, beta?
Oath to follow COVID-19 measures.
COVID-19 measures. So because it was about COVID-19 measures, so everything was required. But your point is correct. I wanted to make the same point. Then what else could have been done?
Sir, maybe pictures can be more bigger so that the writing part is less and what she has drawn is means it will
Yes.
emphasize the poster.
Shravani, beta, all these points are actually needed because the topic was like that. You cannot avoid any of these. But the thing is, your writing part was too much. And people, they avoid reading so much. Right? Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
If you prepare such a poster and if you place it somewhere, do you think people will stop and read all that?
No, sir.
Then what could be done? As I said, there should be visual appeal.
Yes, sir. Visual appeal should be there.
Yes. So instead of writing entire statement, whole sentence, it can be depicted with the help of pictures. Pictorial depiction can be there. Are you getting it? You have drawn pictures. You have drawn pictures. You have drawn. Use mask and all that. If you are writing a statement, instead of that, simply say use and draw a mask.
Yes, sir.
Avoid big gatherings. Instead of that, you can write avoid and then you can draw a group of people as you have already drawn. Maintain, instead of writing physical distance of this and that, you can draw 2 persons standing apart, an arrow separated with 6 feet mark. Are you getting it, beta? So instead of writing all that, you could have avoided and you could have depicted it more with the help of pictures. I hope you understood.
Yes, sir.
Would you like to make another poster on the same thing, because it is very relevant at the present time? Okay. Now, because it is already 3:42, I wanted everyone to share and everyone to see how much score do you get. We'll continue doing this in the next class. Meanwhile, you can do one thing. You can take a good photograph of your poster and send it on submission group with your name at the bottom of your poster. ठीक है? ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
है ना? फिर मार्किंग हम यहाँ पे डिस्कस कर लेंगे, पोस्टर्स भी हम दोबारा शेयर करके डिस्कस करेंगे, बट एटलीस्ट आप अभी आज के लिए इतना कर सकते हो कि सबमिशन ग्रुप में आप अपने सारे पोस्टर्स जो जो भी आपने बनाया उसका एक एक पिक्चर लेके विद योर नेम उसके ऊपर पोस्ट कर दो आप. ठीक है? तो अदर्स कैन ओपन एंड सी दिस, बिकॉज योर क्रिएटिविटी कैन हेल्प समबडी एल्स. हमें एक दूसरे से आइडियाज बहुत सारे मिल जाते हैं. आपने अपनी नोटबुक में बना लिया, मुझे चेक करवा दिया, अपने पास रख लिया, उससे कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. हम जब सबके आइडियाज देखेंगे और हमारे आइडियाज सारे लोग देखेंगे तो हमें उसमें कुछ गुड्स एंड बैड्स भी नजर आ जाएंगे और इसके अलावा हमें दूसरों की क्रिएटिविटी से हेल्प भी मिलेगी. ठीक है? तो ये आपको सब लोगों को अपने अपने पोस्टर्स के फोटोग्राफ सेंड करने हैं आज ही. चलो, सेकेंड थिंग आई वाज सेइंग, विल टॉक अबाउट पीरियोडिक असेसमेंट 2 very soon. Probably in the next class I'll give the dates when we are going to start, and this time it is not going to be a descriptive test as it was last time. This time it is going to be completely activity based, and in language we'll test 2 skills in periodic 2. Listen to me very carefully. We are going to test 2 skills, means we'll have 2 activities. One is listening skills, and in listening skills I'll play a track from here, and while the track is played you will be asked to write answers to the questions while the track is being played, not when the track is over, finished, and then write answers as we have done in ASL. What we used to do, the track was played and simultaneously you were writing answers in the worksheet. This time worksheet will be sent on Google Form and track will be played here. While the track is on, you are supposed to write answers in the Google Form, and as soon as the track is done you are supposed to submit the form. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
There
Yes,
is a
sir.
possibility you get 1 track, there is a possibility you get 2 tracks. ठीक है? There will be a pre-recorded track, or maybe I'll be reading it live here and you will be supposed to answer. ठीक है? This is one activity which will be done, which will be finished in 1 single day. If you are absent, you are absent. ठीक है? So date will be finalized, and in the next class most probably I'll tell you the date. Now second thing, second activity will be the assessment of your speaking skills. One thing we have already done, that also can be reused. Instead, I would like to have another activity for entire class. Now, there are 2-3 things which we can do. First thing is we can have one speech delivery. Different topics may be assigned. You can prepare a speech and that speech delivery can be there. There can be a debate, individual debate. ठीक है? Then third thing is there can be a group activity, and in group activity one was like these children have already done, and another can be a chat show, a debate show like you watch on news channels. There can be one anchor and some 3-4 other participants. There can be one topic and a live discussion. These are some suggestions. Now, which one of these would you like to have for second assessment for speaking skills?
It's the third one.
Debate show.
Don't say first, second, third. I don't remember what I
Sir,
said.
debate.
Sir,
Sir,
chat.
debate.
Debate, individual debate or group that chat?
Sir, chat.
Sir, like TV shows.
अच्छा
हाँ सर चैट हाँ.
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है. अगर हम अभी मैं और बच्चों से भी पूछ लूंगा. अगर हमने वो किया कोई भी ग्रुप एक्टिविटी, मार्किंग विल नॉट बी डन इन ग्रुप. दिस एवरीबडी नोज. सारे बच्चे पहले से जानते हैं ये बात. मार्किंग इज डन इंडिविजुअली. आपके इंडिविजुअल परफॉर्मेंस, आपके इंडिविजुअल वे ऑफ स्पीकिंग के ऊपर ही आपको मार्क्स मिलेंगे. ये नहीं है कि देयर आर 5-6 मेंबर्स इन अ ग्रुप सो ऑल आर गेटिंग सेम. Every individual in a group will get different marks depending on how you performed, how you presented. Is this clear to you? तो
Yes,
अगर
sir.
आपको ये लग रहा है कि in group activity you will be safe, you can hide yourself behind others, no, there is no possibility. Individual assessment will be done even if it is a group activity. Still, do you want a group activity?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
4 yeses are there. That means remaining 23 students do not want a group activity. They want an individual activity.
Yes, sir.
Acha, do one thing. We can do only one thing, either group or individual. Write I for individual and G for group activity. Shivam, you will count. मुझे लगता है काउंट करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. मानव वांटेड इंडिविजुअल, बस, नो वन एल्स. ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम. तो काउंट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. वोटिंग डन. हम ग्रुप एक्टिविटी, और ग्रुप एक्टिविटी में भी एक चैट शो, एक लाइव डिबेट हम करेंगे. अब उसके लिए ग्रुप्स बनाने हैं. ठीक है, आप लोग अपना डिस्कस कर लो. नेक्स्ट क्लास में मुझे 5-5 के ग्रुप्स आप लोग बना के बता दोगे. ठीक है, मेक ग्रुप्स ऑफ योर चॉइस. और अगर प्रॉब्लम आती है तो आई विल इंटरवीन इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. और कहीं एक भी जगह प्रॉब्लम आई तो सारे ग्रुप्स में फॉर्म करूंगा. एक भी जगह प्रॉब्लम आई तो सारे ग्रुप्स जो आपने बना लिए हैं, आई विल ब्रेक देम ऑल एंड आई विल रीफॉर्म देम. ओके, so now we are going to talk about all this in the next class, day after tomorrow. Sairam, you can leave the class now if you don't have anything to say.
Sairam,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sairam, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sairam.